In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to work with pros and cons block. So first of all, we are going to see how to add pros and cons in your article. So simply click on this particular button and you can click on browse all. And just by scrolling, you would see all of the affiliate booster blocks here. So just pick the block AB pros and cons. So this is the first method to add our blocks. But we have another quick and fast method also. For that, simply go into the next line and type /pro. And as soon as you do it, you will see AB pros and cons, and just click on it and you can add the block like this. So these are the two methods. Just pick any as per your ease and start adding the pros and cons inside the article. Now we are going to see that how are we going to use all of the features of this block so that you can make it look more interesting, you can make it look amazing, and then you can make your articles even more professional. So first of all, let's add some of the pros item here. I would say this is the good feature, and here we would say this is the bad feature, right? Simple. Just start writing all of your features here and all of the bad features here. So just for the ease, I'm going to copy paste so that we can start seeing that how this particular block is going to work with all of the settings. So let's just copy paste all of these and let's see how are the features of this particular block. So once the block is selected, now you would see all of the settings here: journal settings, pros settings, cons setting, and advanced. So first of all, we are going to explore journal settings. So click on journal settings and here you would see pros and cons headline tag. For the time being, just avoid this. Let's see the next feature, pros title. Here you can write whatever you want. Let's say good, and here I'm going to write bad. Title typography. Here you can even change the typography of your titles. Let me do it for you. Let's say you want to increase this particular size. Just give the size here and you would see it has increased. You can even change the font family, font weight, line height, and there are so many other settings inside this one setting, right? Just pick all of the settings as per your need, and once you are done, just click on it once again and now it would disappear. And same you can do for the list typography as well. Let's say you want to increase the size, so let's make it 20. Now you can see the size has increased, and same as the title typography, here we have so many settings. Just pick the settings as per your need and everything is done. Now by default we have added the box shadow. If I disable it, now you would see there is no shadow right now. If I enable, there is shadow right now. So these are all of the settings for shadow. If you want to change the shadow color, just go there, pick any color, and now the shadow color would change. Can you see that the color is changing? So from here you can even change the color. You can even increase or decrease the opacity of the color, and now you can clearly see the shadow. Perfect. This is how you can change the shadow of this block. Now the shadow is coming outside. If you want the shadow inside, just click on inset and now the shadow is coming inside. I feel this is looking more professional now. So these were the settings inside the journal setting. Now let's move to the pros setting. Click on pros setting and here we have given so many icons. You can pick from the icons. Let's say you want to change this pro icon. Just pick the icon which you want to display and now you see the icon is changing. Let's say you want to change this particular green color, which is background color. So just go there in the green color and pick the color. Now you see it has turned into the blue color now. Now let's see the pros icon color. Now we can even pick different icon colors. You see icon colors are changing. Pros list color. You can even change the list color. Now you see the list color is different now. And same are the settings inside the cons setting. Here you can change your icons. You see the icons are changing. You can change the cons background color. Let's pick another color. You can change the cons text color. Let's make it, what should I make? Let's do this, right? Cons icon color, you can change the icon color also. and cons list color, you can make it this. Now it is looking more professional, right? So now this particular block is ready, and now you can start playing with this block.